Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you step by step how to complete Pistol Master 1 in COD Mobile DMZ. First mission, enter Serpent Island, hard with Epic J358 equipped. First, we need to buy the Epic J358. Go to the black market, then to the Kurohana Store, then to the pistol section, and buy the Epic J358 in purple. Make sure the weapon is equipped in one of your weapon slots. Then go to the Gunsmith and add the attachments you want. After that, make sure you bring the correct ammo, which is light ammo. Then start the match. At the beginning, we will complete the third and fourth missions first, then go back and do the second mission. Third mission, pick up 2 Mythic Loot in Serpent Island, hard. Fourth mission, successfully extract and bring out loot worth over 1,500,000 in Serpent Island, hard. We will start by looting the nearby containers and accepting get materials contracts until we find 2 Mythic Loot and reach a loot value of more than 1,500,000. The reason we are skipping the second mission at first is that if we go directly to Kurohana Base, most of the loot containers and safes will probably already be opened. So the chance of finding Mythic Loot will be almost zero. That's why it's better to loot around your spawn area first. After getting 2 or more Mythic Loot and reaching more than 1,500,000 loot value, go directly to Kurohana Base. Try your best to avoid fighting other players and stay focused on the challenge. Second mission, defeat 15 hostiles with Epic J358 in Kurohana Base of Serpent Island, hard. Once you arrive at Kurohana Base, simply kill 15 hostiles. After finishing this mission, you may notice that the third mission still has not counted. All you need to do is drop the 2 Mythic Loot items on the ground, then pick them up again, and it will be completed. After that, go to the nearest extraction point and extract, and just like that, you've completed the Pistol Master 1 challenge. Good luck, and thanks for watching.